Google just introduced a new protocol called A2A, and it could completely change the way how the AI systems communicate with each other. A2A is a bold step from Google in the future of interoperable agents. Hi, I am Vinod Vishwanathan, and in this video, I am going to walk you through about what is A2A, how it works, what are its benefits, and also show you a live demo of A2A in action. So watch the video till the end. A2A stands for Agent to Agent Protocol, which allows multiple autonomous agents to communicate, collaborate, and delegate tasks to each other. So, what makes A2A special? A2A is an open protocol and it is built on existing standards like HTTP, SSE, and JSON RPC, which allows you to connect it with existing systems. It is designed to support enterprise grade authorization and authentication. A2A is not only limited to text, it can support multiple modalities like video and audio streaming. Multiple agents can advertise their capabilities on what they can do, and then a client agent can understand the capability of the other agents and then delegate the right task to the right agent. It also has support for long running tasks. So, if there are scenarios where you have agents performing deep research or doing any tasks which could take hours or even days, still for such scenarios, A2A can be used. So, let's see how it works at a high level. Consider an internal organization user who is prompting for an internal chatbot or an organization provided internal application which has an client agent and orchestrator in the backend. Here, these agent can seamlessly connect with all other agents within the organization. So let's say a scenario where an organization has created multiple agents for separate departments. A sales team has a connectivity to the Salesforce data, a search agent which has capability to search the internet and provide the information to the user. Similarly, we have an HR agent which has connectivity to the enterprise resource planning tool, right? So if a user has to perform any of the action on any of these tools, he can utilize a single application to perform all these options, right? So the whole thing can be orchestrated from a central location rather than everything working in a siloed approach. Let me show you a quick demonstration with a live application running on my local system. You can consider this as an enterprise chatbot or an enterprise application where users can go ahead, type their query, and get answers from multiple different systems, right? So let's say a user wants to understand what is Google's A2A protocol, right? Once he just goes ahead and types in the information, the client agent initially is going to understand the intent. It is going to find which agent can perform this action. So, for example, it understood that the internet search agent can do this task. It assigns the tasks to internet search agent, and that agent provides a response, which in turn is provided to this customer. Let us see another example where the user wants to understand some information about the sales report for quarter one. So this is just an example. So considering the client agent understand that this needs to be performed by a sales agent, so it finds the capability of the sales agents, assign the tasks to the sales agent, which in turn is going to get the information from the sales data and provide you the response. There could be another example where we want to create a recruitment ticket for hiring a front end engineer. So here the client agent understands that it is a HR query and it needs to be performed by the HR service agent, and it is able to now go ahead and perform the task and provide the response to the user with the recruitment ticket which is successfully created. And from then on, if required, the user will also be able to track this ticket, right? So this is just a sample example. All these agents currently are running in my local system, but this is how it will work when it is replicated in an organization environment. So if you are a developer, architect, or an enterprise leader, it is the right time for you to think how these agents can help your organization improve the way it works. Now, don't just think about building an agent, think about building a team of intelligent agents. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for more such AI content. Thanks for watching and keep learning AI.